Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2026 Beta ALP 4.0. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2026 Beta ALP 4.0 with 108 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with a rear fender eliminator kit, a surface handguards, aftermarket mirrors, LED turn signals, and crash guards. Powered by a 349cc single-cylinder engine, the ALP puts 27 horsepower and 21 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 2.8-gallon fuel capacity, the ALP has around a 200-mile range. It has a 34-inch seat height and a 293-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this ALP will need front and rear turn signals with sufficient visibility. In New York, this is not an issue and the bike passes. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 830 seconds and the rear at 1030 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. There's a scratch on the fuel tank, a scuff on the rear fender, vinyl is torn on the side cover, there's a scratch on the grab bar, and vinyl torn on the right side of the fairing. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.